Hey James, my pencil broke. James, do you want a piece of my candy bar?
Not right now. Let's stay focused, Nathan. Mr. Yang said if we get our history work done, we get free time, remember? Do you want to work together?
History is boring. Check out these erasers. Aren't they funny looking?
Nathan, I'll help you get your work done. It won't take you long if you focus on it.
Okay, history confuses me sometimes.
So what part are you on?
What'd you say?
Nathan appears to be having a hard time staying on task. James is trying to help his friend, but that doesn't seem to be working. First, Nathan got distracted by his pencil breaking. Then he got distracted by his candy bar when he was looking for his pencil sharpener. After that, he got distracted by the erasers he uses. In the future, it might be easier for Nathan to use a mechanical pencil so he can keep working even if the lead in his pencil breaks. Also, if he does use a regular pencil, he can take out pencil sharpeners, erasers, and other things he needs before he starts working. So that if something unexpected happens, he can stay on task in class and not get distracted.
Hey James, my pencil broke. I'd really like to change some of my answers.
There, I'm done. Nathan, how much more work do you have? Mr. Yang said we get free time once we finish.
Just a little more. I want to change some of my answers. Don't you think these erasers are funny?
Yeah, do you need help finishing? Maybe if we work together, that will help you stay on task. Then we can play Fortnite.
That sounds great. Sometimes I have a problem focusing.
As you can see, Nathan did a much better job in this example staying on task in class. Instead of his pencil breaking, having to sharpen it, going through his backpack, and getting distracted by everything else that's in there, he did an excellent job of having everything set up for himself before he started the assignment. As a result, it looks like he will stay on task, finish this assignment, and get to enjoy free time with James.